Jesus. Mary around? I'll go looking for Mary. She was in my last video. She has to be in this one as well. Let's go find Mary. There's Mary. I'll have to have another chat with her. Well, good afternoon. Our spot looking over Limerick City. So this is a spot that I come to regularly. I have a nice little hidden fire pit here. I can see Thomond Park from here and Limerick itself. So we're gonna get our tent set up. We're gonna get our beers in the river. We're gonna cook up a fire and we're gonna eat some steak. That's what we're gonna do. I'm here with my mate Craig. So let's get the camps up. First camp of 2022. The first of many. Yeah! So it's new tent time. Nordisk Svalard 1. 4 seasons tent. Loving it so far. Let's get it up and have a look. I'll do a proper gear review on this when the time comes. Oh, my beautiful pillow. I'm so done with blow up pillows. Yeah. Oh, I'm starving. All the wood that we use is from the ground, so we didn't break any trees. So hopefully the rain stays off now and we get a nice steak on. I am starving. I have 2 steaks. Yeah, 2 giant sirloins. I can actually hear my eyeballs cooking at this stage. Oh yeah! God, that is so tender. My God, this steak. Oh yeah. Chill to the last. My dessert. The old Soto cup. Is there anything it can't do? Oh yeah. Cheers everyone for 2022. Cheers. As my eyeballs are getting killed by smoke. How are you, Craig?
Savage.
Savage.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. We've a fully clear night, which is brilliant. All the clouds are gone. We're meant to get a small bit of rain in the morning, but tomorrow is clear, and that's Limerick City below, and that's where the sun rises. So hopefully we get a good sunrise in the morning. January the 2nd, 2022. Out wild camping already. Happy days. Start as you mean to go on, eh? This is my second ever woods camp. It's the first one I've ever recorded. A couple of weeks ago I was here. It's probably much better in the winter to be doing woods camping because at least you can have a good fire out and you can relax. I suppose you're not stuck in your tent like if you were on the top of a mountain, but a few things I couldn't get used to is the smell off your hiking clothes. And for someone who loves their hiking clothes, I'm wearing all different hiking gear. My older hiking gear this week, because I learned from the last time that I just smell like a campfire for weeks, even in your nostrils. Mince pies. I'll take a mince pie. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, fire's out. Everything's good. Time for bed. What a beautiful tent. I'm gonna do a gear review on it. It is incredible. So I was always looking for a way to hang my phone up. So I got these hooks. And I put this band around it. So now I can watch a movie. Oh, I think it's time to get some sleep. Watch the movie. It's good. Limitless. Can't go wrong. Okay, heard noises a while ago. I was wondering what the hell it was. It was like the Clare Ditch project. But there's a field near us and there's horses in it, so I heard the clippity clop sound. That's horses, by the way. So so I knew. Okay, time to get some sleep, and I'll see you for hopefully a sunrise. Well, the sun is obviously going to come up, but we might get a good sunrise tomorrow. It's meant to be quite clear. Alright, so sleep tight and I'll see you for sausages in the morning. Yeah. Good morning. Lashing out. Love this on the rain and a tent then. Slept well. It took me a while to go to sleep, but once I did, I conked it. And my alarm woke me up this morning, so I'm still determined to check if there's a sunrise, even though it is raining right now. Hard cooking sausages in this weather. I have my alcohol stove with me though, so that might be the way to go. We'll see.
That's better. Yeah, that's awesome.
Bit of a sunrise. Happy days. Once it's boiled, it's fine. So I'm trying a new little burner this morning. As you've seen, it's a small little stainless steel burner you put together and you light fire inside in it. So let's see how good it is. Oh, I'm starving. Sausages. Coffee. Forest. I only speak in one word language. Fire, sausages. Coffee. Me. I have to admit, this sausage sandwich is beautiful. Okay, time to break down camp. Okay, campsite done. Fire pit hidden as much as possible because I'll be back here again. But yeah, it's not exposed anyway, so it's not an eyesore, we'll say. Happy days. Campsite done. Leave no trace. So yeah, brilliant. Happy days. Okay, let's get going because I think there's a bit of rain coming in. Bing. Bye bye Christmas. Mary, keeping an eye on us. Go on, Mary. That was incredible. So nearly back at the car now. Beautiful start to 2022. Just keep that going now. And yeah, my first proper woods camp. Well fed, slept well, can't go wrong. So hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. This is Martin here from SoleTrail. So thanks for joining me on another adventure, and until next time, stay safe out there and stay safe out in the mountain.